name is Iman and you are watching Jiggly Bubbles.
And we have a little guest right here. Her name is Mehmet. And today we're gonna be unboxing a puzzle, a Frozen-2 puzzle. And it contains 4 pictures we have to solve. Before we jiggle into this video, make sure to like, subscribe and share. Let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, this is a pretty fun game. You can also do this at home. Let's unbox this. You wanna help me with that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now this wrapper will not throw it over here. We will throw it in the bin.
Meanwhile,
we have to open this thing.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 dun.
Oh, this is blue.
Wow. So you can see the pictures right here, and 4 of these we're gonna solve. And we have first one
and second one.
Chill out. Second one, and third one. You can see first,
Yeah.
second,
Third.
fourth.
And oh, this looks like a mystery under here, right?
I don't think so. Maybe it's nothing here. So it's nothing special to say. See?
Yeah.
Okay, first we are gonna be doing this one. It's Anna.
Huh?
It's Anna. Okay, so you can see Anna on this picture. And you can also see Anna right over here. And it contains 6 pieces. Let me show you. Oops. You can count it. You can pause the video and count it. Okay, now I'm gonna give this challenge to Mehraab. Mehraab, I'm gonna first do them apart and gonna mix them up, and you have to do this.
Okay.
If you think it's kind of difficult for you, you can see from here, and then do it.
Okay.
Let me just take it off.
Okay, now I'm going to try to solve this puzzle. First from the face.
Nice, doing good.
Okay, now I should have put this is kind of weird. Alright.
I don't think so. That's right. You must look at the picture.
Okay, I think this comes over here.
Okay, good so far. So far, so good.
Okay, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, now wait.
Make sure to press it in.
Alright. Like this? No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, wait, it's getting out. Oh, let's like this one. It will come over here. Good, and this will come like this. Oh, okay, now I'm done. Okay, now I'm done. And it's a surprise now. Should I show you? Dun, 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 dun. It's what I did, and it's all right, and it's so beautiful too. Now we will check Iman's challenge.
Me?
Yeah.
What's my challenge?
The same. You have to solve the puzzle too, and it's a very tricky one.
I'm supposed to do this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now it's a challenge for Iman. And you have to do a very, very, very hard puzzle. And the puzzle is this one. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, easy for me. First I'm gonna undo this.
No, first I'm gonna undo this for Iman, so that it will be very hard. Now I'm gonna mix it up for you. kind of hard. Well, so weird, kind of weird. Now.
Meanwhile, she's mixing. I'm gonna do this 10 pieces one, which is one of my favorites. Are you done now? I think it's enough.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, I'm done, and I really like this picture because it has all of the main characters. The main characters Elsa and Anna. You can see Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf. One of my kind. I really like these both, and also like these three. So I'm done, and I really like it now. Mehraab, there's another challenge for you. Okay, clapping. But there's another challenge for you. Let's just put this aside. And I have this beautiful Anna, Elsa, Olaf, and Anna picture for Mehraab to complete. And again, this is the 8 pieces one for her to do. See this right here, I guess. Yeah. Right here, 8 pieces. It includes 8 pieces. So Mehraab, you will have to see this and do this.
All right.
Okay, let me just undo it, and then let me just carefully undo it. Not like last time what you did.
Yeah, it was too hard because it was thick.
Yeah, it was kind of thick. When you like rejoin it, it's kind of.
That was hard for me.
You like super fast. You're like, I'm like Sonic.
Like Hulk.
Hulk is, no.
A superhero.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna mix it.
Okay.
Sometimes we have. Okay, let me just make it a little bit easy for you. Just show all of them. Okay, now we can stop.
Okay, now I'm gonna give you the very
I'm listening.
Challenge. And this is the challenge, which is very hard.
Bro, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy for me.
Hard for me.
Huh?
Easy
Okay.
for me too.
Again, this contains 12 pieces. Okay, we have done with all of the 4 puzzles.
Yeah.
And let me explain you who are these characters. So basically, in Frozen 2, things have a little bit changed. But whoever have seen Frozen 2 will know what have changed. Anyways, she is Elsa. Her dress is new. I really like her dress in Frozen 2.
Me too.
She also has a crystal horse that comes out of the water. And there's Kristoff and of course his best friend Sven. And Olaf, and also Anna, Elsa's sister. So we're done in this video, and it was really fun.
Oh wait, you didn't tell one thing. Elsa is the queen and Anna is the princess.
Yeah, but in Frozen 2, It might be strange for you guys who have not watched Frozen 2, but Anna actually becomes the queen, and Elsa guards her castle from Frozen 1. And I really like it. Okay guys, we have a very, very important message from us. As you guys know, there are a lot of poor people around this world, and whenever you go outside you see some poor kids who don't have anything to play with, and they are homeless, and they don't know anything, and they don't have anything to eat. You must share your things with them, give them some money. No, even we have like new toys, we can share with them. We can give them some food, we can give them some money, and we have to be humble and kind.
And remember that don't give them broken things.
So whenever you go outside, see someone who is in a bad condition, make sure to help him. If you help him, you will. If you give him like your things, like your toys, you'll also have new things. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye, guys.
Remember to.
Yeah, remember. Bye.
Bye.